Oh, the Rocky Mountains in the backdrop. High speed. Man, the scenery is awesome. All right, we made it to Garden of the Gods, Colorado Springs. Day 4. Temperatures are beautiful. 70s. Car camped last night at another Cracker Barrel. 61 degrees. It was amazing. Kansas the night before was 95 degrees. That was quite miserable. Coming up on Balance Rock. Well, we made it to Colorado Springs. We are at Garden of the Gods. This place is really beautiful. It's not really meant for mountain biking, but I'll take it. Okay, I find this tree fascinating. Check this out. How this tree just grew. These trees in itself are just artwork. Well, everybody, found this really cool arch along the off-beaten path while I was riding my e-bike. Started to rain, so I decided to take this as a nice little shelter. Thank you, Lord. It is Garden of the Gods. Thank you for the shelter. Oh, the Rocky Mountains in the backdrop, Pikes Peak. Man, the scenery is awesome. That was worth the climb. Definitely worth the climb. Beautiful scenery. I blew down this thing going the wrong direction. Now I'm paying the toll. Get to go back up. That's Balance Rock. I would much rather be on a bike, even in the rain, than in a car. You can smell all the pine, the fresh rain. It's beautiful out here.